Hi, I'm Jacoree Gaines. I'm the COO, also known as the Operations Manager for Hoyt & Homes. I have been in real estate for 5 years, and when I started, I had zero knowledge of the real estate industry. I started as a listing manager / office assistant, and I loved it from the very first day. I worked with a team of real estate agents, overseeing the listing process and provided administrative support. I was also responsible for creating and implementing marketing plans. I will always be thankful for the doors that were opened and the relationships that were established with my first team. They treated me like family and still do. I started working with Jennifer and the Summers Group in September of 2019, and there's a whole story behind that one. I worked for 2 different real estate teams under different brokerages part-time. So fast forward a couple of years, Jennifer got her broker's license and we officially started operating as our own brokerage, Hoyt & Homes. As the operations manager for Hoyt & Homes, I do a lot. I'm responsible for managing the daily operations, creating and implementing policies and procedures, ensuring compliance with legal and regulatory requirements, managing contracts, ensuring that all necessary paperwork is completed accurately in a timely manner. I also assist with recruiting, training, and onboarding, and a whole lot more. We'll get to that. But most importantly, I serve as a resource for our agents and our clients, ensuring that buyers and sellers are having an exceptional experience by providing above and beyond administrative professional support to the team and our clients. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I have an entire work-life series designed to inspire and give insight in this career and job opportunity. So let me know if you have any questions. Leave it in the comment box. I love sharing and helping others. Peace.